everyone, this is Lori from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm going to show you how to make some inexpensive, very quick, very easy little Easter favors, and you can also switch them up as Mother's Day favors as well. So I'll show you exactly what I did. Now, at the Dollar Tree, you'll see packages of 3 little empty containers, and these come in pink, mint, and blue, the whole package together for $1.25. Pink is missing because I put that aside for just a moment, and then I'll show it to you. But you can get these in packages of 3 with the pastel lids, or packages of 3 with the white lids, and yes, one jar is missing because I used that as well. And turn these into some really cute little favors. So let's see, the first thing you're going to need is some Easter ribbon, okay? And of course, if this is Mother's Day, you can use floral ribbon or anything you'd like. Now you're going to need 6 inches of that, which I already cut right here, okay? And on the back of this ribbon, you're going to need the double-sided cracked or square sticky tape from the Dollar Tree, okay? And you're going to place this sticky tape down the middle the best you can. And this sticks very well, but you could also remove it if you wanted to. Okay, so we're going to peel the paper part off right here. There we go. And we're going to center this right around the middle of this. Okay, I'm going to place this right in the middle. Now, as you're wrapping this around the jar, it's very easy to kind of go off of the track a little bit. So you want to look at the space above here and make sure it's even, okay, as you're wrapping it. And I'm pulling it snugly as I go around. And then it should match up, which it does right here. Okay, I gotta get that piece of ribbon, or yeah, it's hanging off here. Let me get that. Let's see. Looks like a stray thread or something. Little things like that bug me. I don't know why. That's alright, I'll get it later. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill this with some pastel M&Ms. Now you can use anything you'd like, jelly beans, or they even have the Reese's Pieces, I think. Yeah, that's what they're called. So I don't want this to be really loud when I'm pulling this, or when I'm emptying this out of the box. So I'm going to pour it in my hand away from the camera. Try to keep down the noise a little bit. So now I think I can finish pouring it. Okay. This makes a nice, colorful little treat. That's the back, so I'm going to turn that like that. And they have these adorable little bunnies, and there's 6 in a package. I have 2 of these bunnies set aside over here. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, packages of 6. I did not pay $3.49. These are 40% off, and most of the time it's 40% off the holiday things that they have. So I paid 40% off $3.49 for this package, and you can put anything you want, but I'm going to put the little chocolate bunny here in the front, okay? So let's put some Fabri-Tac on the back of this little chocolate bunny. Okay, Fabri-Tac. And glue him right on the ribbon there. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to glue a pretty flower on the top of this. The Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby has these beautiful flowers, and this was $6.99 for the package, but I can tell you I did not pay that. These are generally 40% off all Paper Studio items about every 2 weeks at Hobby Lobby. That's when I purchased them. So I paid 40% off, $6.99. Now I'm going to post this video on Friday, and they do have all Paper Studio items on sale for $4.99, and you should be able to pick them up for 40% off on Friday when I post this, and Saturday. And if you miss it, don't worry about it, because in another 2 weeks they'll be on sale again. So I thought it would be really pretty. Put this little pink flower on top. And what I did on the back, I have to show you this, is I used the double-sided sticky tape. Now yes, you can use Fabri-Tac if you want, or hot glue, but I wanted the person to be able to take this flower off and reuse it if they want to. And I'm just kind of fluffing up the flower a little bit. And I'm going to place it right here on the top. And it really holds well with that sticky tape. Now if you want to, you can put gold or silver beading thread around here with a little tag that says, you know, to and from, or, you know, Easter blessings, or whatever you'd like. And I made a little white bunny here too. But I just thought, you know, they turned out really cute, and it's something small you can do to give to someone special at Easter, to let them know that you're thinking of them. So I'm going to make another one off camera. Maybe I'll use the one with a white lid. And so I hope you enjoyed this project, and I will be posting more videos. I figured even if my videos aren't big videos, there's something small like this, I can still go ahead and record it and post it, right? So with that said, I hope you really enjoyed this, and I know I did, and it feels good to be recording again. So you take care, and God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye. Oops, guys, I almost forgot to tell you, I found these Bath and Body jars in the Bath and Beauty or Spa section of the Dollar Tree, and they were in where all the other little empty travel bottles and things are, okay? So I just wanted to let you know real quick. Bye-bye.